everyone, we're going to find the area of the region enclosed by these two curves. So let's get started. Let's first find the where the curves intersect and solve for x. So we have x equals negative y squared. We also have x equals 2 minus 3y squared. Since x equals x, let's just substitute in. We have negative y squared equals 2 minus 3y squared. This is going to give you 2y squared equals 2, and therefore y squared equals 1. So they intersect at y equals plus and minus 1 when you square root both sides. All right, so we're looking at that. Normally when you set up an integral, we would set it up from negative 1 to 1 because of this. But I'm going to do a quick sketch of these, let you know what's going on, because we can make our integration a lot easier if we do this. So for this piece, this is just a parabola that starts at 0 but opens up to the left. Now we know that intersections occur analytically at y is 1 and y is negative 1. This one is the same thing. It's going to shift to the left, but it has a horizontal shift to the right by 2. So it starts here and it still opens to the left. So I'm going to make it go through these 2 points here. So it's something like that. It's a little narrower because of that 3. So the area of the region enclosed is right in here. This one and this one. And you notice that it's symmetric to the x-axis. So what I can do is I can just go, since we have the symmetry right in here, I can go from 0 to 1 for this piece, and then just multiply it by 2. So what I can do is multiply this by 2 and go from 0 to 1. And then we're going to take our 2 minus 3y squared and then subtract minus a negative y squared. This is going to end up being plus y squared. All right, and then we have dy. Now this is going to simplify to 2 times your integral of 0 to 1 of 2 minus 2y squared dy. I can factor out a 2. If I factor out a 2, I get 2 times 1 minus y squared. And I keep wanting to do this because it's easier to integrate that way. So now I'm going to multiply this 2 by 2 and get 4. So now we have 4 times the integral of 0 to 1. And then I'm just going to write 1 minus y squared dy. All right, now let's integrate. We're going to get 4, and then for 1, we're just going to get y minus 1/3 y cubed. And we're evaluating from 0 to 1. So this is going to give equal 4, and we're going to have 1 minus 1/3, and then when you plug in the 0, you just get 0. So this is just going to be 4 times 2/3, and this is going to equal 8/3. And this is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.